Hi, and welcome to this week's JRC Relationship Focus. Each week, we'll focus on one of the 6 elements of a healthy relationship. Every relationship is built on a foundation of communication, upon which we build the 5 levels of respect, trust, accountability, loyalty, and empowerment. This week, we'll look at accountability. Accountability is a tough one because it usually has a negative connotation, but really, it's about helping each other stay on track towards a shared vision or common mission, and that's a good thing. But if an environment of trust doesn't exist, where one or both people believe that you have each other's best interest in mind, then that attempt at accountability will just come across as discipline, as you did something wrong, you need to do better. And while you might get a short-term result, it will actually have the negative side effect of eroding trust in the relationship and moving it backwards, and the long-term consequences of that will far outweigh any short-term benefit you get. But if an environment of trust does exist, then the other person, when you hold them accountable towards the shared vision and mission of the team, will realize that you're doing it to help the team be more effective, and they'll appreciate it. And they'll know that they can do the same for you towards that same shared vision. And that creates an environment of loyalty, because both people realize that they're better off for being in the relationship than if they weren't. And so that advances the relationship forward and not only creates a short-term benefit, but much greater long-term benefits. So this week, if there's something on your team that needs to be held accountable, that you need to account for, rather than having a knee-jerk reaction and doing something that might come across as discipline, first ask, does an environment of trust exist? Have we supported everybody on the team or communicated the vision clearly enough? And if not, focus on that first before the accountability. And what you'll find is the accountability might just come naturally on its own. So try that out this week and see if you get results.